Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how quiet this compressor is. This model. So I turn it on. I'm talking in a very quiet voice right now. It's noticeable, but you would easily have a conversation standing right next to it. Nothing like a standard oilless compressor. So it kicks off at about 110, it looks like. The regulator set to 100. Turn all the way down to 0. So it's very adjustable. Works great. This line is cold. This line is cold. Our air filter screws on to this fitting. It's the only one that's threaded. These ones are just plugged. So that goes here. This tube goes in there. It's not really necessary. Probably helps with the noise a little bit. Yeah, pretty dang good.
I'll check the drain valve, and we will see how long it takes for it to charge up from 0 PSIG. I've installed the muffler. As you can see from the pressure gauge, it's passing through about 50 pounds right now. But it's very quiet. I'm talking at a normal tone. It's somewhat of a shutting job, but you get what you get, right? So we'll see how high the pressure goes before the pressure switch shuts the unit off. It's very quiet. You see very responsive. I think the compressor has twin pistons. It's a little bit into the red, but it shut off at about, I'm going to say 120 PSIG. So, appears to be very sturdy and very capable, especially for the money that we paid for it. So, right out of the box, I'm 5 stars. We'll see how it lasts. Thank you.
This is a review for the Limodot 2-gallon air compressor. This unit is the quietest compressor I've ever used, but I'm also impressed with 2 key things. One is this uses such a low current draw that I can use it on an extension cord. In fact, I have 2 extension cords. You shouldn't normally do that, but out of necessity, I don't have power here in my shop yet, and I'm running to this other extension cord, and it's going out to my home 125 feet away. So for the jobs I need quick air, airing up tires, small tools, and this has worked flawlessly since I've purchased it, and I'm super impressed with the build quality. This is all metal lines, copper here, stainless steel braid. Where it goes into the tank is brass fittings. We don't see plastic. All the regular, everything is metal. The only plastic I see is on the safety cover for the regulator and on the muffler, which does a fantastic job. In fact, I'll start this up. I'll blow a little air to get started. The unit is now running. Recovers really quick. It also sits on nice soft rubber feet. It's running very, very smooth. It doesn't vibrate everywhere, and the unit quickly recovers. I can't recommend it enough. For this small use case, this is a great little compressor.
Not terribly loud either.
Miren el trabajo que estaba haciendo de los gabinetes. Así es como ha quedado. Todo esto es lo de los gabinetes. Así quedaron. Hay partes que se mira daños en las paredes, pero es que eso lo van a pintar, es el papel tapiz. Entonces eso lo van a quitar y se va a pintar. Todo eso que se mira en la pared dañado, pues se va a pintar. Pero así es como quedó lo que es el trabajo de los gabinetes. sounds loud, but you can hear anybody talking. But look at the vibration; it just moves. It's kind of funny. But it's a nice little powerful pump. I like it a lot.